Get set, go!
A Te Wānanga o Aotearoa program is opening the world of sports to students with the help of top-level athletes. The Certificate in Sports Leadership Youth Guarantee Level 2 program is proving a gateway to the sports world for disengaged teenagers. Former Māori All Black Captain and leader of the Waikato Chiefs, Dion Muir, says the program provides opportunities in a positive environment for rangitahi who may have struggled at school.
And just basically teach them gym etiquette, weightlifting techniques, so they can, go to a public gym and know proper technique, in terms of injury prevention and all that sort of stuff, and just help out with, the sporting part of their certificate that they do. Proud rangatahi that have got no direction at the moment, and they're looking for direction and a bit of, just something to be attached to.
Another of the program's kaiako, former NBL basketballer Puke Lenden, says it helps that teachers on the course have often competed at the higher levels of their chosen sports.
You have to hit that ball off the cone.
The thing I like about it is you get the respect from our students as well, because we are asking them a lot from them, fitness-wise. Some kids, they haven't even got up and walked to the letterbox, and we're making them run 3K. They look at us and say, well, you can do it, you've done it, and most of the times we do it with them.
The program, that's aimed at 16 to 19-year-olds with little or no qualifications, involves a mix of sports training and study activities, including face-to-face learning, group work, tutorials, self-directed and classroom study. Lenden says the program, now in its third year, has had its successes.
Last year we had 3 boys go back to school. They disengaged very early in school, got them back in. One of them became a head boy, or both played first. Two went back and played first 15 rugby. We had a girl who obviously doing nothing. She was smoking. She quit smoking, lost 10 kgs in the first 2 terms, and she ended up getting a job here with us. She became our top student. That was this year she started working, last year, 2014. And those things you just can't. It's awesome.
At completion of the Level 2 program, students can undertake the Level 4 program that can lead to degree level or better sports qualifications. Commonwealth Games Gold medal winning boxer David Nika, who was at a recent open day promoting the program in Te Awamutu, recommended the program as a gateway to the sports world.
It's definitely a road I'd recommend taking. It's never easy work, but I think it's really rewarding. And I've grown into a man over the last 5 years from the sport. I owe a lot to the sport and to my gym, to my coach.
Te Wānanga o Aotearoa is accepting enrolments for both the Level 2 and 4 programs now. James Ihaka, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.